Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to wear your Galaxy ring. And also some tips on the best way to wear it. Now first just open up the case. And you're just going to pull out the ring. Now you notice on the front right here, this is the orientation indicator. It does not matter if it's facing this way. Either way. You can put the ring on either hand, but they recommend using your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put on my left hand. Now just have your palm facing towards you. And once again, this line right here facing towards you. You can actually put the ring on any finger, but for gesture controls, Samsung says the best is your pointer finger. Once again, have the line facing towards you. If you've not already bought this, I would recommend buying a sizing kit first. For my finger, it's kind of tough to put on this one. I bought a similar size to my ring finger, but the size is different. Gonna take it off and put on my second choice. Now, the second best choice is supposed to be your ring finger. But you do have to be careful not to have it collide with metal, either on the same finger or the ones next to it. If you have a wedding band, for instance, you might want to switch that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped out.